Miami, también de la zona de Brickell, donde se encuentra José Díaz Valer, presentador del noticiero Telemundo.
Look. The hurricane is coming our way. Thank God.
Mommy, what are you talking about? Thank God. This is a Category 5 hurricane. If this hits, we're going to have to evacuate.
Evacuate? Hi, Mama. The only thing that it needs to evacuate is el pan con bistec that I had last night. God, I'm super full. It's almost lunchtime.
If you're still full, then just don't eat.
Don't eat? Ay, mija, ni que estuviéramos en Cuba. Aquí no hay nada.
What are you doing?
I'm making a list of all the hurricane party supplies that we need.
Party?
Yes. And you can invite all the friends over, but I'm sure they already have plans.
Yeah. Like to gather their personal belongings, board up their homes, look for shelter, stock up on food.
Oh, yes, exactly. Food. Fritos, Cheetos, Doritos, Mariquitas. What do you call the wrinkle ones?
Ruffles.
Oh, Ruffles. I love those with dip. I dip. Espérate. Onion dip. Cheese dip. Bean dip. You like the spinaca dip? That's pretty healthy.
No, I actually don't. Mommy, none of those things have nutritional value. I'm serious. If this hurricane hits and we have to stay in the house, we have to stock up on things that we really need. Write down canned milk. Write it down. Canned milk, tuna, nuts, vitamins, probably juices, bottled water.
Espérate. Spam, salchicha, culé, el ginger ale, el estómago, maltatuey, materva, chocolates, café. Ay, I almost forgot the coffee. Mama, we can always order pizza too.
Mommy, I really don't think that you understand the severity of this storm.
Of course I do, hija. Don't worry, okay? Mira, I'm gonna write candles, a guardian angel, Sacred Heart, just in case, vaya por si las moscas. They should have a hurricane saint. Everyone will buy that candle. Yessy, why don't you come up with a hurricane saint? I mean, you can make candles, you can make incense sticks with the image of the saint on it. We'll be rich every hurricane season.
Only you, Mommy.
Think about it.
Only you.
Hey, Mama, I forgot to check. Do we have the dominoes and the cards in the drawer?
Yeah, I moved them. They're over there.
Oh, okay. Bueno, I think that's all. I'm going to go to Sedano's because I know there's going to be a huge line. Meanwhile, you can invite all your friends. We are officially ready por el huracán. Ay, ¿dónde está mi bolsa? I'm always looking for that bolsa.
I mean, it's kind of crazy, but... Saint Cain. No. Saint Hurry. Saint Thunder. I don't like it. Storm Saint. Storm Saint. I might be onto something here. Storm Saint. Why is that woman always right? So annoying.